Hello and welcome. We hope you are always doing well today. We are going to make an oven-baked eggplant recipe that turns out delicious. If you are interested in this recipe, follow along from beginning to end. Here I have 2 eggplants that I have washed thoroughly. After I cut them into long slices, like this. Breading. The slices should not be too thick. This is the shape we want. Breathing, I will continue and come back. Now we are going to cut them again lengthwise into halves like this. I sprinkle some salt over them. Then I mix them lightly, just enough to draw out the water. We are not going to wash them because they will go into the oven. We want them to release their moisture so we can dry them afterward. I leave them for 15 minutes and then come back. After 15 minutes, the eggplant has released its water, as you can see. I dry this area first. Then I dry the eggplant from the excess water because I only added a little salt and I am not washing it. I take a baking tray lined with paper and arrange the eggplant like this. I brush the eggplant with oil. Olive oil can also be used. I sprinkle a little black pepper. Just a light sprinkle. Then I bake them at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Now I cut the cheese into slices. Here I have mozzarella cheese. I cut the slices into smaller pieces. I take a large bowl and add 4 eggs. I remove the small spots and then add a glass of milk equal to 200 milliliters. Then I mix the eggs and milk well. I add salt to taste and 1 grated clove of garlic. "30 grams of grated cheese or red cheese. Use whatever cheese you have available, and here I have parsley. Then I mix everything together. I have this oven-safe dish that I greased with oil. Make sure to grease the sides and the surface well. Then I take a sheet of Filo pastry. I open the Filo pastry sheet. I clear some space so I can work comfortably. This is the sheet, and I do this with it. I fold it like this again, just like folding a hand fan. The same folding technique is used for cardboard or similar items. I continue folding it into this shape. I place it in the center. Then another one the same way. This method keeps the layers visible. Then I rotate it like this. I also cover the joining points in the same way. I continue with the same technique wherever 2 sides meet. I seal each gap until the entire dish is covered. The whole dish is lined with the pastry. Now I start arranging the eggplant. I place it around the edges like this. This is the eggplant after baking. I work gently. I place the eggplant pieces. Now I start adding the cheese slices. If they are too thick, I trim them slightly. I made them thinner so they fit better. I try to place cheese in every empty space so that cheese is distributed everywhere. Now I take the egg mixture with cheese, salt, garlic, and parsley. I pour it over the pie. Everything must be covered. I bake it at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. This is the final result of the pie. It is delicious, crispy, and wonderful. Let us cut it and see how it turned out. It is delicious. Just try it this way and it turns out very tasty. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you receive all new recipes from Spice and Easy Kitchen.